Hi everyone. While we at Azimuth have been making large trailers and trucks for the last 6-7 years for a lot of brands and entrepreneurs, the one thing I think that we all have missed is something which all of us in India really like, the Indian famous street food. This love and popularity of the street food in our country is what led us to start thinking and deliberating on how to create the right platform for these to be dispensed off. Guys, it gives us immense pleasure to announce the launch of Azimuth's new vertical, Smart Wheel Concepts. The product range of Smart Wheels is solely dedicated to the diverse street food of our country. Take a look.
We call this as Street Smart Carts. Now, one would ask, why Street Smart? So basically they are high on ROI, low on investment, they are low on maintenance, and as such they don't have any compliance. So the best part about this model is that these carts can be customized for various street food options. And now if you're a brand and you're looking to expand your business or maybe to launch a new food venture, you can contact Azimuth and we can customize a model for you, and we can help your business get going. Thank you.